Hey guys, welcome to Vishwa Technology YouTube channel. So today in this video, I'm going to explain how you can complete a Go India offer in the Google Play. So in this video, I'm going to explain in detail how you can collect the tickets as well as how you can collect the kilometer. So in detail, so before going to the video friends, if you are still not yet subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon and click on all to get all the notification from our channel. So as you can see here, I have been posted the answer for the Google Pay Go India new event also. If you are still not yet participated in that event, so just you can watch that video and you can just participate in that event and you can grab the offer from 5 rupees to 100 rupees where you can get in the Google Pay, or else you will be getting the rare ticket also. So now let's get into the topic. So first of all friends, open the Google Pay app. So here I will show my proof. So I got the 494 rupees friends in the Google Pay in the Google Go India offer. So as you can see here, this is the proof which I have. So I will come back and I will click on rewards, and as you can see here, I got this reward from the Google Pay Go India offer. So I will explain you in detail how you can collect the kilometer. For some people, they are not receiving the kilometers, so if they have tickets also. So in this video I will be explaining in detail. So as you can see here friends, in the right top corner, I have 27,000 kilometers, 27,433 kilometers. So it's more than enough to travel. So I have been completed my Go India offer also. So as you can see here, Go India campaign. So congratulations Go India campaign. So we have been traveled across the 30 cities from Bangalore. So the place may be differ. So as you can see here, they are giving this. So first of all friends, so if you want to get the if you want to get the more kilometers, so what you can do is, only thing is you can share the tickets with your friends and family members. So unknown as you can see here, there are a lot of methods. So you can pay it to any UPI ID. So here if you pay with the UPI ID also friends, you are not getting much kilometers. So you may get 500 or like that. So if you transfer to any new person, so if any new person is collected the ticket, so you can send the unwanted tickets, the cities which have been traveled. So let us think that daily you are collecting the ticket. So you can just come here. So you can click on map. So you can click on map. So once you click on map, you can tap the share button, so 3 times, so you can share with them. So if you share 3 times, you will be getting the 5 cards every day, 5 tickets every day. So if there is any unwanted tickets, you can just share with your numbers, whatever you have in the contacts. So when you share with the unknown, if they have been not yet claimed first, it is the first time, means you will be getting nearly 2000 kilometers friends. So really it's really good. So where you will be getting the minimum of 1000 to 2000, sometimes you may get 3000 kilometers also. So where it is enough, more than enough to travel the cities. So this is the first method where you can collect the kilometers in the Go India offer. And also friends, please like this video and share this video with your friends and family members if this trick is helpful for you. So and another thing is friends, how you can collect the tickets. So this is the major task. So friends, first of all, so there are a lot of videos available in the YouTube. So nearly I have been used the trick for my nearly 4 numbers. So now let me show the other proofs also. So I have some 2 mobiles here in front of me. So I will show that mobiles also. So as you can see here, in the both the mobiles I have been completed. So this is not any static page. So as you can see here, so I have been collected in the both the, as you can see here, I gotten some 1600 kilometers. So as you can see here also in this mobile also I have 28,000 kilometers, and this mobile also 17,000 kilometers. So where you can use this trick friends, so really it is working trick. So you can use that trick. So this is some first trick where you can get the kilometers. So tickets, when you come to the tickets friends, so daily you share the Google map. So not Google, so here your map section, so India, you need to share. So you just tap on it and just you can go back like this. So you will get the ticket confirmedly friends. So when you get back, you will be getting the ticket. So you can do the 5 times. So basically everyone are reaching nearly 25 to 27 tickets. So at last friends, so if you are near to the like claim the offer, so if you are not at travel to cities like that, so you can use this trick. So really it will be helpful. So you can just try this method. So there are 95% chances, friends, where you can grab this tickets, so rare tickets. So I have been used this method for 4 to 5 of my accounts. My friends also use this trick, and they are to got these tickets. So what you can do is just click on the tickets. So here you need to, what you need to do, so don't do any other things, friends. So here you will be getting the, so you need to recharge, friends. So recharge any prepaid plan, so friends or family members. So basically, so you no need to do, if you want to recharge, someone will think we need to recharge the like more than 300 pack, 400 pack. Friends, if you have an Jio SIM card, so it's more than enough. So you can 95% you will be getting the chances to claim the tickets. So what you can do is, so you can recharge for 10 rupees, friends. So you can repeat the thing. So make sure that this trick will be used only when you are near to like more than you haven't 25 tickets or else 26, 27 like that. Use this trick at that time, friends. So basically we will be getting the normal like 27 like the tickets, last 3 tickets will be there. So that ticket we will won't get in our account. So what you can do is, so you can exchange or else you can do the recharge. So you need to do the multiple times, friends. I have been tried with like yesterday I have been tried in my brother's mobile. So my brother has been recharged 3 times, 10 rupees, 10 rupees, 10 rupees. Third time he got a ticket, friends. So rare ticket, so it is a little. So you can also grab this, friends. So you can just if you have an like a Jio SIM card, so you can recharge for your Jio SIM card, where you will be getting the 7 rupees talk time. So it will be lifetime, and also you will be getting the data, friends, 1 GB data for your Jio SIM. So here you are not losing anything, friends. If you have a Jio SIM, you can try this trick. So for other SIM cards it is not good. So if you have a Jio SIM, it's really good, where you can grab this offer. You can do the multiple times. And also, friends, let us think that you have been recharge for 10 times, 20 times like that. So what I can do with that talk time? So friends, if you have that talk time, so it is a lifetime talk time, and you can recharge the basic packs like 333, so 444, 555 like that. In the Jio SIM you can recharge that packs with the talk time also. No need to worry about the talk time. So you can just do the 10 rupees recharge. So multiple times you will be getting the rare tickets. You can collect the rare ticket easily. So I hope this video will be helpful for you. Please do share this video with your friends and family members, and let me know your opinion in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So thank you, friends. Thank you for watching this video.